welcome back to Side Option. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi super stories and today talking about Skim Sam guys. Niyazi guys, Skim Sam silokhu siyatrenda since last week. Emva ukuthi ke uMapitsi was exposed yena no DJ Thomas ngomjulu wabo. Obosuthatha isikhathi eside kakhulu abantu ke sebebhoreke nokubhoreka ukuthi kanti lezi indaba zalaba zivela nini. But ke last week guys ibhomu liqhumile ke. Everyone knows ukuthi uMapitsi ubethandana no DJ Thomas and ubemthanda because bakhuluma lokho ke ku radio kuzwa wonke umuntu waseThefu. So today guys uMapitsi ne family like they had to go to the Maputla family. Actually bahambe baya ke emzini kaMapitsi noThabo. Khona Auntie Joyce guys, Auntie Joyce ke auntie ke wo Thabo Maputla uyamangala Auntie Joyce mangabe ke uMeki Maputla sevutha kangaka esho ukuthi nje uMapitsi akahambe akamfunela emzini wakhe emzini kaThabo umzini wengane yakhe ngoba kwathini uthi yo wena you're the last person to tell uMapitsi that uhleli no John Maputla guys. John Maputla wagqoka ojina abancane wazala ingane kamakhelwane wenza into eziningi ngabo kodwa wamxolela bahlala ndawonye. So abantu lapha social media bathi ke uMeki akahile, she must heal and move on because yonke le drama yenziwa uMapitsi uyithatha ibhekise kuJohn Maputla and ufuna ukulwa ke izimpike zikaThabo elwela ke elwisa indaba ke kaMapitsi because guys inhliziyo yakhe ke imthatha imbeke back to izinto ezenziwa ke ubaba Maputla. So ke but I hope ukuthi izohamba kahle bakithi ingxoxo yabo njengoba kukhona ke no Auntie Joyce uhleze efe yena unakho kuba fair nokwakha kodwa nje as for uMeki guys hayi I know ukuthi nje ngeke kuhambe kahle no Meki phakathi. uMapitsi uthe efika guys webingelela ke wayesebingelela wathi thobela Thabo uthobela pa social media uthi nyobela nyabo. However guys yo kushubile namhlanje for uMapitsi asazi ukuthi ufisani ke ufisa ukuthi relationship yakhe noThabo iqhubeke noma ufuna ukuthi iphele usamthanda akasamthanda ufuna DJ Thomas. What is happening guys because DJ Thomas truly speaking guys akamfuni uMapitsi bebedlala kumnandi bedlala kodwa nje manje akasamfuna la ahambe khona. So ke we are hoping ukuthi ke whatever ke ingxoxo family nazo bazokwazi ukuthi ba resolve the situation and ke uMapitsi uzobuyela with kodwa ke mengenze ukuthi abuyele kaMaputla guys uMeki uyomthuka every day. Angazi mina sekuqala unyaka noma sekwathula ingane nje futhi ke uMapitsi noMeki abatholana angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani noma sekuba bamba indaba yomuzi ukuthi ubani wafika aqala ezobona umuzi wabo nanguwe noThabo izolo uthi ingane kaMapitsi lencane uRati akusiyo neyakhe. Hayi angicabangi kanjalo guys, angicabangi kanjalo. Le ngane bayithole after ke sebeqala umjolo, bayithole before umjolo wabo beno DJ Thomas. But ke we're looking forward guys to see how will this storyline unfold. That bring us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion.